Hello everyone, this is Mr. Feng with tonight's cello assignment. We are looking at all for strings, page 11 and 12, numbers 32, 33, 34, and 35. But a quick side note, in tonight's assignment, I do expect you to complete number 30, which is our musical addition and subtraction. You're going to take these note values, add them up, or subtract them to get a number. So you're going to tell me how many beats each of those questions equal. Okay, but before we start, I want to bring your attention to number 28. Look at your piece of music with me while I tell it to you. You're going to see some Roman numerals 2s. We've done this last year in 4th grade orchestra where we're shifting our first finger to the second note of our instrument, whether it's a C natural or a C sharp, and we're bringing the other fingers to a higher note. That's all there is to it. And if you look at number 28, jump down to the second line, letter D. On letter D of 28, we have this going on. We have an A string, then we have third finger C sharp, then we have first finger B. And then we're going to slide that hand up so our second finger hits the D instead of the fourth finger. So now I'm in a higher second position because my first finger's on this second tape. I don't know if you can see black tapes on this, but that's where the high D is. And you'll see a Roman numeral 2 telling me, okay, second position. So I'm hitting the D with my second finger, and there's the next higher note, which is labeled number 4. Fourth finger gives us that high E right here. So if you feel like you need to pause the video so that you can play through 28 on your own, review some second position notes, do so, by all means, because I'm just going to move on from 32, 33, 34, and 35. And if you ever need to stop the book, stop the recording, go ahead and stop the recording so that you can practice a little bit. So here's number 32, lightly row. We have a Roman numeral 2 there, so we're going to start in second position. You're going to put your first finger on the C sharp, give yourself a good place to start. Put the fourth finger down, you get the high E. Ready for lightly row. I'll count you off, 4 beats and we begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift to first. Shift to second. Number 5. Next line, shift back to first position. Number 13. In this video, you see me doing some wiggling with my left hand. That's what we call vibrato, and you see me do it on my other instruments too, so that we can bend the pitch and we can sound like singers. Let's turn the page. On page 12, look at number 33. We're going to play through A, B, C's, and D lines without the repeats, and we're actually practicing more of the second position shift on the D string and the A string now. So here is letter A. Ready? I'll count you off, 4 beats and we begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to hold that fourth finger down, cross over to A string, matching the A, and back to the D string for this A. Shift down, first position. The idea is so that we can match the A we produce on the D string with the open A string. Here's letter B with the slurs, and F's are natural, C's are natural, by the way. 1, 2, letter B, here we go. Shift, roll it over to match the A. feel like I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video, practice it on your own, and then rewind the video so that you can re-practice it with me. Here's letter C, 33. 1, 2, 3, go. Here's letter D with the slur. 1, 2, 3, begin. Now in this video, I'm not going to play through number 34 with you. I would like for you to prepare 34 for the next class. We're going to jump straight down to number 35, Carnival of Venice. There are 2 lines laying one on top of the other, and it's supposed to be played like a duet. I will play both lines once, and then you can rewind, and while I'm demonstrating line A off the video, if you want to play line B while I'm doing line A, please do that, and then you can practice doing the duet. But we will put it together as a duet when we get into our next class. So here is line A of Carnival of Venice. We're going to start up bow, and we have 3 beats in each measure. I'll give you 2 counts, and then we begin on beat 3, because we come in up bow on the G, beat 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1. Now keeping the same pace, I'm going to go into line B, where we're doubling each note because of its 8th note qualities. So bum, 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 something like that. Ready? Line B. I'll give you 2 beats and we begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Number 5. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 13. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Practice well, practice often, and happy practicing.